Let's talk about the shin burger. We've all been there. You're midway through a brutal hit session, your legs feel like lead, and you miscalculate a box jump by just half an inch. The result? A scraped up shin and a week of regret. This is the Rogue Fitness Games box, and Rogue claims this is the gold standard for home and commercial gyms alike. But is it actually worth the premium price tag for what is essentially a wooden cube, or are you just paying for that iconic logo? After 3 months of punishing this thing, I found a few details that the marketing team doesn't really mention. Plyo box by Rogue Fitness. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Rogue Games box, the flagship plyometric trainer from the titans of the fitness world, Rogue Fitness. Based out of Columbus, Ohio, Rogue released this version to be the one box to rule them all. It's a 3-in-1 design, meaning depending on which side you flip it on, you're getting a 20-inch, 24-inch, or 30-inch platform. It's aimed squarely at the home gym owner who wants professional-grade durability without owning 3 separate pieces of equipment. It's the Swiss Army knife of explosive training, designed to withstand the abuse of a CrossFit Games final while sitting comfortably in your garage. Plyo box by Rogue Fitness. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this for everything, from high-volume 24-inch box jumps to heavy 30-inch weighted step-ups, and I was really impressed with the stability. Here's the thing, cheap Plyo boxes wobble. If the internal bracing isn't right, you get this hollow feeling when you land that makes you second-guess your next rep. With the Rogue box, it feels like landing on a concrete pillar. There is zero flex. I'm about 190 pounds, and even when I'm landing heavy at the end of a workout, the box stays planted. It doesn't walk across the floor like those lighter, no-name boxes you find on Amazon. That stability translates to confidence, and in the world of plyometrics, confidence is the difference between hitting your PR and a trip to the ER. Whether I was doing explosive jumps or using it as a bench for seated presses, the rock-solid cliché actually applies here. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that move this beyond a DIY project. First up is the CNC machined interlocking puzzle joints. Unlike a standard butt joint you'd make in your garage, these pieces fit together with microscopic precision. This basically ensures that the structural integrity doesn't just rely on the screws, the wood itself is physically locked together. It's a game changer for long-term durability because it prevents the box from becoming creaky over years of use. Next, we have to talk about the radiused edges. Rogue rounds off every single corner and edge. This doesn't just make it look sleek, it's a massive safety feature. If you do miss a jump, you're hitting a rounded corner rather than a sharp 90-degree blade of plywood. It's the difference between a bruise and a literal gash. Lastly, the 3-in-1 versatility is the real tech here. Having 20, 24, and 30 inches in one footprint is crucial for the American home gym, where space is at a premium. It's like having 3 different machines in the space of one. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rogue knocked it out of the park. It's made of high-quality 3/4-inch birch plywood, which feels incredibly premium and has a grippy texture that's essential when your shoes are sweaty. It looks industrial chic. It's the kind of gear that makes your garage look like a serious training facility. The built-in handles are also a massive win. They are routed deep enough that you can get a full grip, making it easy to lug the 50-pound box from the corner to the center of your gym. One minor thing though, because it's raw wood, it will pick up dirt and scuffs from your shoes almost immediately. If you're a neat peek, that might bug you, but in the gym world, those scuffs are just badges of honor. Pros. Safety first. Those radiated edges are a literal lifesaver for your shins. Precision engineering. The puzzle piece assembly means it stays square and sturdy forever. Space saving. 3 heights and 1 footprint is the ultimate ROI for home gyms. Cons. Assembly required. It arrives flat-packed, and if you're not handy with a drill, it'll take you about 30 to 40 minutes of labor. The shin factor. At the end of the day, it's still wood. If you hit it, it's gonna hurt. If you're terrified, Rogue does sell a soft version, but it'll cost you double. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a casual trainee who only does box jumps once every 6 months, you could probably get away with a cheaper alternative or even a DIY project from the hardware store. But if you're a CrossFit athlete, a dedicated home gym enthusiast, or someone who values buy it once, buy it right engineering, this is an absolute no-brainer. You're paying for the peace of mind that the box isn't going to collapse or slide out from under you when you're fatigued. It's a professional tool for people who are serious about their training. Is it just a box? Sure, but it's the best engineered box on the market. If you have the budget, don't overthink it, just get the Rogue.